Hello, 姐姐。
Hi, hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. I'm Mercy Bakong, 42 years old, single. I have experience two times in one country in Saudi Arabia. 2008. My first employer is 2018 and 2022. I served family three members in my employer, two adults, three adults, and sometimes my employer have a grandchild. I will take care of the baby, and I also helping my madam in the kitchen and cleaning the house, cleaning the bathroom, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and sometimes I playing the baby. And my second employer is 2020, 24, 2025, and my I also staying my employer is 10 months also, and because my madam she want go back to me in the Philippines because my madam she want to take care her twins baby, and I also also helping my madam in the kitchen, and when I stay my employer, and also helping my madam to batting the baby, give them feed milk, and I also playing the baby also. And here in Philippines, 2009 and 2013, I also experienced take care of the baby 9 months and 6 years old, and until now I have a work my old employer in 2022 and 2024. Until now I work my employer here in Philippines, and I also to my employer to choose me. I will work hard, work in your family, and caring the baby, and respect, trust, love, like that also.
Thank you. So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to explore myself, and I want to to try to adventure the Hong Kong the Hong Kong place, because uh, uh, the place is good, and I want work in Hong Kong because I want to give my family needs in case have a problem like that.
Okay. So how long do you expect to work in Hong Kong?
Yes, if my employer renew my contract, I willing to stay my employers.
Okay. So can you cook Chinese food?
Yeah, just here in Chinese food, I'm not a totally cooking Chinese food, but here in my employer now, I want to cook like steamed fish, stir fry chicken with bell pepper, tokwa with kangkong leaves, and sometimes I cooking soup.
Thank
Yes, thank
you.
you, ma'am. God bless.